What's up guys, we're talking gutter screens today, effective gutter screens that work. So right here is a micro mesh, so you can still get a high flow of water. Sometimes gutter screens have slots in them and the water just runs over. So this is allowing a lot of water into the gutter, but also keeping out all these micro stuff so it doesn't get through. This is stainless steel, really high quality. And then we have aluminum on the outsides of it that hold it together. When we look on the bottom side, it has a flange. That flange right here actually hooks to the gutter, as you see right there. Solves all your gutter problems, no more debris in the gutter. I remember selling these in the past where they weren't as good, and then they came out with this product and it's way better than what you've seen before in the past, and it keeps everything out of the gutter nice and clean. It's effective, it works. When you talk about gutter screens, this is the only way to go. There's a lot of stuff on the market, but it doesn't let as much water in there, and also it doesn't keep out the pine needles and stuff like this. Nothing's getting through except for water.